Hi, in this video let's learn how we can change the prompt, though temporarily. So first let me try to launch the terminal, and to be able to change the prompt we should be able to use a variable, that is an inbuilt variable that comes with a shell known as PS1. So this is the variable that we are going to use and modify according to our requirement, so that we'll be able to see the changes that are applied to that variable on the prompt. So first let me clear this screen, and let me first echo out what is the default value that is present inside the PS1 variable. So you can see that right now there is some content. We are going to discuss what exactly all of these are. Okay, so first let me do a quick walkthrough of what exactly is this. Okay, so there are so many variables that are present that you can use to be able to change your prompt. Okay, so backslash h that you are seeing here represents the host. Okay, so till here it represents the host, and colon is a static thing. Okay, so that is the reason why we are not giving any backslash. So anything that you give without a backslash, it will be output as on the prompt as it is. And backslash capital W represents the base name, okay, of the present working directory. And um, and then you have this tilde, right, and which has been represented by backslash u, so which represents the username of the current user. And backslash dollar, okay, here you are seeing this keeps changing. Okay, this is not static. Okay, it might look like this could be static, but if I change to cd backslash, okay, hold on a second, right, if you see if I say cd backslash, here it has changed, right, the tilde is not static, so it keeps changing. Okay, so let me first navigate, clear this and navigate to the home, right. So now we are going to change this prompt. Okay, now we are going to change the prompt. So how do you change the prompt? As I said, with the help of the PS1 variable. So let me change it very quickly. First, the way that you can change is you have to say export and specify what is the variable that you are going to export. In this case it is PS1, as we discussed earlier. So I'm saying hello world. Okay, so what I'm typically doing here, basically doing here, is that instead of all this content being displayed, right, instead of all this content that is displayed as a prompt, I'm interested to display hello world and a space after this exclamatory mark, and then another space after the greater than symbol. So when I press enter, now you see that the prompt has changed. Now if I press enter, see that the prompt has changed. But the problem with this is that, or the caveat with this is that, it's this particular PS1 variable lives only in this particular section of the terminal. If I open another new terminal by pressing command plus T, or even if I open it altogether new terminal, command N, you see that the old value is still there. Now if I echo out the value of the PS1, you see that this is different. And if I echo out the value of PS1 here, that is the PS1 variable, it's different, right. The PS1 variable content itself is hello world, correct. So this is how you change the prompt, but temporarily. So in the next section we are going to discuss how we can change the prompt permanently. Thanks for watching the video.